Launched in 1999, Alibaba.com is the leading platform for global wholesale trade. We serve millions of buyers and suppliers around the world. As part of the Alibaba Group, our mission is to make it easy to do business anywhere. We do this by giving suppliers the tools necessary to reach a global audience for their products, and by helping buyers find products and suppliers quickly and efficiently. Alibaba.com brings you hundreds of millions of products in over 40 different major categories, including consumer electronics, machinery, and apparel. Buyers for these products are located in more than 190 countries and regions, and exchange hundreds of thousands of messages with suppliers on the platform each day. As a platform, we continue to develop services to help businesses do more and discover new opportunities. Whether it's sourcing from your mobile phone or contacting suppliers in their local language, turn to Alibaba.com for all your global business needs. Click my link below description for more details and shop now. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.